Kati nabateeka mu beti yose
mulwanire ebyennyanja kagenda bigaba muki mulundi gumu ojazaala n'omwana mubbi kati bateeseko oli mukuba byennyanja genda eri naawe buli bubiri kino akijjemu nga kikoze eki kino kikulu kiweza ffe gundi zetukola ki zetwagala daba kano gabakenkana at least every day we shall be supervising the markets of Mukono. And when you don't stop members, we are going to arrest you and you will leave your family crying. You people, you will not support, you will not stop our operations. Operations will go on and it's you to suffer as the government is suffering because you are draining our lakes. Our grandchildren will not find the lakes working. So I'm appealing to you, stop illegal fishing activities. Otherwise, we are going to arrest you and the law will take its course. Otherwise, I appreciate the people whom we have worked with and at least you have managed to get 860 kilograms of what? Of immature fish. So we have arrested one person, but because it was our first time, the commander in charge of Mukono Kampala sector as handling the deal because it was our first time. So if we arrest you, the next time if we arrest, we are going to take you directly to the courts of law.